how to turn on spell check for Facebook chat and messages. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on spell check for Facebook messages and chat. So let's dive right in. First, it's important to note that Facebook does not have built-in spell checker, but don't worry, you can enable check through your web browser. In my case, I'll be using Google Chrome. To turn on spell check in Google Chrome, start by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. From there, scroll down and click on Settings. Next, scroll down to Find Languages. And once you're in the languages, you need to toggle on the spell check button and make sure to turn on auto spell check. This will enable the feature for all your typings in Chrome, including Facebook. If you want to add specific word to your dictionary, you can do that too. Just click on add and then type in your custom words. This way you can personalize your spell check experience. Once you have set up everything, you can go ahead and check into your Facebook. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Now, you know how to turn on spell check for Facebook messages and chat. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.